Hey guys, and welcome back to another vlog. I am flying to Phuket and I'm flying via Thai Airways. Just boarded the plane, waiting for everybody to get on the plane. But so far it's not bad. They have a footrest, good amount of space.
Really good.
We're at a seafood restaurant. Okay, y'all, so I got a passion fruit drink. I also ordered crab roll and something else. I ordered a deep fried crab meat roll and then I got this right here. So I can't wait to see how that tastes. The passion fruit.
You can make the spring water, sprinkle.
Oh, okay.
For the baby one too. This side. You hello?
Çok su su. Valla? Evet. Suyu çıkaracağız.
She like to play water.
Thank you. You can take one back for life. Okay. Thank you.
Excuse me, we have the welcome food for you.
Thank you. Thank you.
This is the welcome card.
How do you get microwave?
Microwave we provide at the reception. You can bring your food.
And
Yes,
okay.
we can do for you.
Thank you. Thank you. Go slow.
Yeah. ไปตรงไหนเนี่ยพี่ไหนต่อเนี่ยโยนเลยนะพอลงไปเห็นจะเห็นอ๋อ Oh my god.
Man, I may not be walking down. You're gonna have to take pictures for me.
Walk down nha.
You gotta pay to get to the beach.
Oh.
We walk.
Yeah, have to. I waiting here. Car park, okay?
Okay. guys, so I am in Phi Phi Leh Islands and it is super gorgeous here. Oh my gosh, the views are so amazing and like I can stay here all day, but we only had an hour and a half here, which was for eating and going to the beach, or some people were snorkeling or something, scuba diving. So
really nice. I stop here.
okay.
Think you might be on to something. This is nice in here. What is this? That's a nice one. I like that.
That's what I'm getting.
That's the scrub.
And this is lavender oil. It smells really nice. It smells nice.
That one smells nice. I'm gonna need pictures of all of it.
Oh, it's good. Real good. I could put mine right there.
You want to cut? Cut na?
Hey guys, today is my last day in Phuket. I'm so sad, but I'm definitely gonna be back. This has been the best. I could have spent longer in Phuket than Bangkok, to be honest. This has been one of the best trips I've ever taken. Like, Thailand is at the top on my list of places to come back, because I definitely will be back. So we're just sitting out here waiting for the sunset, the last sunset on this trip in Thailand, and then we're on to our next vacation. So let me show you guys. The sun is about to set.